This is the headliner from my Mini Cooper. It's not in the best of shape, so I'll actually do a close-up. But basically it's starting to come loose and it's a fresh fit. It's also not fully secured to the headliner, and I think it was a bit of a rush job by the previous owner. So I'll just bring it in close, and what I'm going to hopefully do today is just peel this back, see what it's like underneath, and see if I can glue on my headliner. So let me bring it in close so you can see what I mean. So you can see the edging is all just a little bit torn up, not cut well. I mean, most of it you can't see when the bike is in the car, but down the front here it's all come loose. So you can see it's peeled up because the glue's not stuck. Also, he's not cut the holes through properly for all the access, such as here where the mirrors clip on, and again it's all just not a great job. There's also, you can see here, it's come away from the underside, so it's not secure. So what I'm hoping to do is just peel that off and see what it's like underneath. So let's give that a go. So you can see here, there's basically no glue on a lot of this section here. There is a heavy amount of glue on bits of this, but this was not stuck at all. And here you can see where there's been separation in the actual headliner material itself. So what I'm going to try and do is glue that back and clamp that first. And then we'll try and remove a lot of this foam that's stuck and left just around, but then it's just a case of gluing it back on, I think. So let's see if I can get this side glued a bit. We'll try some super glue and see how that do. See what rather try a bit of super glue and see how that does. Alright, cleaned it up, time to spray, fold it over, rub it down carefully. Let's see how this works. Let that tack up for a minute. Alright, that's tacked up, and I'll try and lever that across. Probably be easier with two people, but it's just I. So what we're looking to do is now smooth this out. Stretch it over. Crease there. This is sticky. Let's see if we can. That. This is hard. This is going well-ish, I think, maybe. So that side, I think I need now to cut around, cut reliefs, flip over, and do the last bit of glue on that side, and cut my holes for sunroof, and a clock and mirror, and then of course the handles as well at the rear. I'm not cutting a hole for the alarm sensor thing because I don't have it, but let's get a pair of scissors and give that a go. Let's do the outside edge I think first. Well, it's not evident. This is my first attempt at this. See how much worse it gets when I flip it. But it's now what I'm hoping to do is just roll the edge on everything and then slice these pieces so I can just kind of fold them in. Very good edge. At least that's my hope. So again, let's go. Now, so what I'm hoping to do is I pierce through here with my knife blade and then carefully come down, carefully get back the other way, and then I've got just enough to kind of go. And what I'm doing is I'm pushing the material through the hole, giving it a little bit of stretch so that it kind of comes around this lip here, because this is where the visor goes through. So that's all I'm doing here. I'll do the same on this. Again, quick. Missed it. And we just got to do the same for the mirror, clock, then comes the sunroofs. Well, that's the back all glued. Let's have a look from the front again and see what that looks like. I am not terribly ashamed of that. I'm just going to go through and rub my hand over most of it. Like there's some wrinkle there. Got to sort, but that's not terrible. Let's try and get that wrinkle done. Unfortunately, wrinkle's right on the freaking edge. Okay. That's not bad. Alright. That was hard work. But, you know, from a distance, it's possible. Alright, next job, get it in the car. Alright, so you saw me doing the headlining, trying to repair the actual headliner where it peeled up with a bit of glue, then putting the actual headliner through. I did not record myself putting this in the car for a very good reason. It was a freaking pain in the ass. I had to get my wife out to help me. Things have not gone according to plan, and where the roof lining material, the roof liner itself was coming apart, not the material on top of it, but the roof liner itself, that's created some ripples, which I will show you. But it is all in. It's a faff, a real faff to get this in. The best approach I can say is from the back here, there's a pin just underneath there. If you get that in first, get these pillars in, then these side pillars in, that makes the front here a lot easier. When I say front here, you can see these ripples are appearing because the headlining material is coming away, whereas the rest of it is actually all come out rather well. I'm quite pleased. This was a bit of a nightmare to put in, this ring here, and getting that lined up with the plate underneath so that's sat correctly. But this one's all gone through correctly, that's all wired in, lights are working, mirrors are all there, flip stands is good. That pillar was a nightmare to get back in, but it's all looking quite good. So, I mean, overall, you can do your own headlining. It's doable. I think I would buy a new headliner the next time I do this one, because I don't want that where it's got damage in there and I glued it together. You can see the ripples, it's just not great. Maybe if I used a thicker foam, that would be better. But, you know, I'm quite happy. It looks reasonable. So this is one of those jobs that's just done and sorted, and I can move on now to getting the springs, I think, sorted, so I can go for a good drive without scraping. All right. If anyone's got any better suggestions or things that they've seen that I've done as stupid, let me know. But yeah, this is my first headliner, and it's doable. It's a pain in the ass. It's not so much the actual doing the headliner, it's, I think, getting it in without damaging anything. So for me, quite happy. All right, thanks very much. Cheers. I'm looking forward to someone else taking this off. Probably me for later down the road and going, whoever did this did a shit job.